अब आते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे, टाइप्स ऑफ वल्नरेबिलिटी। वल्नरेबिलिटी के टाइप्स क्या क्या है? देखिए, या तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर बग हो सकता है। सॉफ्टवेयर बग यानी कि दीज आर एरर्स इन द कोड दैट कैन बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड। ओके, कोड के अंदर कुछ भी एक चीज, जैसे अभी मैंने इवैल फंक्शन का ही एग्जांपल ले लिया, तो अगर इवैल फंक्शन एक सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर प्रेजेंट है तो उस केस में क्या है, वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर बग है, क्योंकि सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर था तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर बग हो गया। देन दूसरा टाइप ऑफ वल्नरेबिलिटी क्या है? दूसरे वल्नरेबिलिटी का टाइप है वीक पासवर्ड। ये बहुत ज्यादा प्रोमिनेंट रहता है किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर। तो वीक पासवर्ड हो गए जैसे कि सिंपल इजीली गेसेबल पासवर्ड्स कैन बी a significant vulnerability। देखिए, मान लेते हैं, एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझते हैं। एक डेवलपर है, उसने एक एप्लीकेशन, वेब एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर है, चलिए वेब ऐप डेवलपर है। इसने एक एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट किया है जिसके थ्रू वो क्या करेगा कि राउटर में ही कैन परफॉर्म चेंजेस। राउटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करने का एक उसने एप्लीकेशन बनाया है। एंड दिस राउटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैन ओनली बी डन व्हेन द यूजर परफॉर्म्स अ सक्सेसफुल लॉगिन इनटू application. So the user needs to successfully log in to the application in order to perform the router configuration. अब सिंस लॉगिन है वहां पे, तो डेवलपर ने क्या किया, डेवलपर ने डिफॉल्ट क्रेडेंशियल डाल दिया है कि यूजर नेम जो है उसका वो है एडमिन, और जो पासवर्ड है उसका वो भी है एडमिन। एंड ये चीज उसने, जो राउटर का बॉक्स था, द बॉक्स दैट कैरीज द राउटर, he has got this information printed on that box that change the default credentials, and the default credentials to access the web application are admin. This in this way, he has just shared this information that the customer has to just change the default credentials. Now, if the customer doesn't change these credentials, then it is actually the developer has created a secure application. It's just the default credential that he has just shared with the customer. Otherwise, customer won't be able to log into the application. He has urged the customer to change the default credentials to any of the password that he or she wants. But customer fails to see this information on the box, or even if he sees this information on the box, he just neglects this information that okay, it won't affect him. But this can be a vulnerability now. Just like Shodan, it can try to access few applications which have the default credentials. I don't know whether those credentials will work on that application or not, but still I can try. Okay, so if I know that this is the TP-Link router, or this is the TP-Link switch. TP switch won't be present in the internet, but let's take the example of router. So if I know that this is the TP-Link router or Cisco router, so I know that okay, this is the default credential. Either it will work or not. If the if the customer has changed those default credentials, then in that case वहां पे क्या होगा, वो वो जो एप्लीकेशन था पूरा वो सिक्योर था ही पहले से। और जो एक चीज जो एंड पॉइंट रह रहा था यूजर नेम पासवर्ड का, वो भी उसने चेंज कर दिया, तो पूरा एंटायरली 100% सिक्योर है, जो कि नहीं होता है 100% सिक्योर। आज आप 100% सिक्योर हो सकते हो, बट यू नेवर नो कि नेक्स्ट डे जीरो डे आ जाए उसका। कोई जीरो डे के बारे में हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे कभी। तो आप अभी 100% सिक्योर नहीं हो सकते हो, बट स्टिल दिस थिंग few customers have got it rectified, and only those customers who failed or who neglected this information of changing the configuration, changing the default credential of the router, they will get attacked. They will, through this vulnerability, the attacker can uh, try to take over the router and do some malicious stuff on it. All right. So this was the example of weakness, weak passwords thing. This is one of the examples of weak passwords. I'm saying this was the example of default password thing, vulnerability. What is weak password? Weak password is like, you got my email ID. Okay. Now you know my name as well as birth date. Okay. So from that you came to know that, okay, might be his uh, password is Ansh 0405. This can be my password. If I have kept the password like this, then I will be able, I will be vulnerable to the weak password vulnerability. Or my password is admin123. Or my password is 1234567 8. Or my password is my password is 1234567 8 times 0. This happens. There are many people in the world who keep their Wi-Fi password as 1234567 8 or 8 times 0. So they are prone to weak password vulnerability. Then after this, we have unpatched software. What is unpatched software? See, when software is not updated, it may have known vulnerabilities that can be exploited. Now, your Windows 10 operating system or Windows 11 operating system is asking you to update your device, to update the operating system. It says that there are new updates on this operating system, but you just neglect this information that has been alerted by the operating system. So in this case, your device is not getting the sufficient patches of the services which are being rolled out by the Microsoft. Or there are various cases where just the people are still using Windows XP operating system. Windows XP is now outdated and it is discontinued by Microsoft. Even there are no software updates as well for that. So if a person is using any Windows XP or Windows 2007 or Windows 8, all these operating systems are now outdated. So why they're outdated? Because they have various security measures which are uh, which have been already patched in the latest version of their operating system. So that's why those older version of OS are not patched, or the patched versions are not rolled out. So this is the case of unpatched software. Then comes the phishing. Phishing we have already discussed in the social engineering module. So again, tricking users into providing sensitive information. I won't be discussing much about this because you guys already know about this. So these are the types of vulnerabilities that are commonly found uh, in the day-to-day life. सॉफ्टवेयर बट की हम लोग ने बात कर ली, वीक पासवर्ड की बात कर ली, अनपैच सॉफ्टवेयर की बात कर ली, फिशिंग हम लोग को पहले से पता है. So now we know that what is vulnerability. Vulnerability is a weakness in a code which is leveraged by an attacker to perform some malicious task on the application, or he can perform the chaining attack. He can first leverage the uh, this vulnerability, take the advantage of that vulnerability, and then perform the chaining attack. Chaining attack we can discuss in the upcoming modules.